In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to build a forex broker and Signal Notifier website. You can see the dashboard for the user's end. So now let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing to do is for us to upload our script. You can upload the script into your file manager inside public_html, or you create a subdomain. For the purpose of this training, I will upload the script inside a subdomain. So let's create a subdomain. Let's search for domains. All right, create new domain. So let me just name it Forex. Okay, so I'll click on submit. All right, the subdomain has been created. Now let's go and upload the script. Okay, so I'll come here and click on upload. So select file. All right, so let me go to where I save it. So this is the file. And click open. So I like to load till it turns green. All right, so it has turned green. So for some hosting server that has internal server error, it might turn red. So but whatever it is, once it just load, I like to turn green. If it turns red on your hosting server, if your hosting server is having internal server error, just continue. Just click here to go back. So this is the script. So the next thing now is to extract. Just right click and click extract. Extract file. All right. So reload. Okay. Come to this folder. Open it. Now select all and click move. So remove this from it and move files. Then up one level. All right. So copy your URL and copy your URL and paste it. All right, so we want to install the script, so just click accept and next. Just click accept and next step. All right, make sure you are using PHP version 7.4 or higher. Click on next step. So yeah, these are vital parts that we need to really work on. You can see now you go to main, inside main, bootstrap, inside bootstrap, cage, required permission, and increase the required permission. So let's go to our main folder. So this is the main folder. Open it, then bootstrap, open bootstrap, then this cage, right click it, you see change permission, click change permission, then come here, this right, increase it to 7 and change permission. All right, let's reload and see. You can see it has marked this one green. So the next one is storage. Inside main, let's look for storage. So right click, change permissions. Okay, let's reload and see. Has marked it. So the next one is storage app. Inside storage, you look for app. All right, so change permission. Okay, let's reload and see. You can see, so it's remaining for framework and logs. This is the framework. Then let's do for log. Okay, now let's reload. You can see. So now click on next step. Okay, your site URL. Let's paste our site URL because I copied it earlier. This is it. Now database name, database host. Let's create database, but before then let's change this database host. Let's change it to localhost. All right, now we need to create the database name. Need to create it. So let's go ahead and create the database. From here, let's search for database. Okay, create database. All right, so let me just copy this, then go back. Then let me create my SQL user. So I will still name it the same thing. Then the password, you can use any password of your choice. Then create user. Then I'll go back. So add user to database. This is the database. Okay, this is the user and this is the database. Click add. Then click all privileges. Then scroll down, click make changes. Okay, so now let's go back to our connection, the database name. Put your database name, put your database username, put your database password. Then this port, depending on your hosting, now let's use this as a port. Then the admin username, let's make it admin. Then the password also, let's make it admin. Okay, so the email, then click install now. So now let's load the website. Let's see what we have done so far. This is the website. Wow, this is the website we are building. This is the website we are building. So now let's log in to the admin end. So to log into the admin, just come here and put /admin. Okay, the password we created before and the username is admin. Let's use it to log in. Now click sign me in. Wow, this is the admin dashboard of this wonderful and nice forex broker and Signal website. So now let's check some things here. So now if you click here, you will see the plans. You can see, you can delete them, edit them, and put your own plans there. Now this is the Signal tool. You can see the market type. You can create your own market type here. The signals. You can create your own signal here. You can create your own signal here. All right. So now let's come to payment gateway. You can see all the payment gateway that is here. So anyone you don't want to use, you can off it. You can off any of the payment gateway you don't want to use. Now let's check for the offline gateway. So you can see any one, you can see this is Bitcoin. Anyone you don't want to use, you can off it, or you create offline gateway. So let's go to manage setting. So here, this is where you change your website name. You do all your necessary setup here. You change your logos and all of that. Then the email configuration. The email configuration, you can see here now. You put your site, you put your email here, put your website email here. While here you put your email host here, your SNTP. You put your SMTP password there, your SMTP username, you put it there, your SMTP port. Okay, let's go through this. Let's go through this. Let's go back to our control panel. Come here and come to the control panel. Let's search for email accounts. Okay, so I've forgotten the SMTP password I used here before. So because I've forgotten it, let me go and change the SMTP password. I'll click manage and password. Let me use any of this password we have used here before. All right, so now let me just click update email settings while I will come back here and put the password here. This is the password I used. All right, so email sent from. So let me just use this one. Let me paste it here. Then let's copy for our SMTP. Put your SMTP username here. While for your SMTP post, just come here and put mail dot your URL, your website URL. Then the SMTP port. Now let's come to connect device. So this is your SMTP port. Let's copy it and paste. So you can use TLS or use SSL, but let's use this one and click update email configuration. All right, so now manage theme. See the color of you can change the color of your front end and everything here. Change everything here. Can change do any of the settings you want to do there. So you can click here manage front end. So from here you can change everything here. You can change this is where you change everything you want to use, the images and all of that. You can come here. You can see this is the banner, this is the about us. You can see trade. So this is where you change everything about the front end without coding. This script does not require you to start coding the front end. Everything is already here just for you to change it yourself. So this is how you do everything, the footer and all of that. You can see, just change your write-ups and you are good to go. The script is very easy to use. So you can change your administrator and all of that here. And clear your cache here. All right, you can manage your payment here. Can come here, manage your users. You see people that have registered, because we don't have users here now. For now, we don't have users. All right, so now let's visit the front end. Let's see. You can see, so this is the front end. So this is how to build this kind of forest broker and signal notifier website. So if you need this script, do well to reach out to me, contact me, so that I will send you this script to build your forex broker and signal notifier platform. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.